So yeah, made it to the library and walking in the rain. This is the neighborhood I grew up in. Anyways, I made it to the library. So, yep. Nice walking with you.